Hi all! Today I'm going to talk about some of the new bookmark functionality in Bluefish 2.2.16. I have 2.2.16 beta here, but soon there will be a 2.2.16. So we go to the bookmarks panel. I have one bookmark here already, and if I go to a different file, I can create a new bookmark. Nothing new here. Suppose I want to create a bookmark for every function in this Python file. Well, we can use that with search and replace. We use a regular expression. A function always starts with def, and let's go not bracket open multiple times. Let's see, that matches nicely with the name of the method here. So we click bookmark all, and you see we have the bookmarks here. Here you see something new. These bookmarks have a different color. Temporary bookmarks are now colored slightly different, so you can easily just remove them if you want. Delete temporary bookmarks, and you're back again. So don't worry if you generate a bookmark with a search window and it's not what you want. You don't need to remove them by hand. You can just remove all the temporary bookmarks. Of course, you can also make that permanent. So let's recall the last. If you click here, make bookmarks permanent, click bookmark all. Now you get permanent bookmarks. So the real new feature is that you can generate bookmarks from the command line. So I find this nice utility called ctags. Let's show it to you in the terminal window. If I run ctags on a Python file, I get this output. It shows the name of the function, for example. It's a function, it's on line 45 in this file, and this is the actual text in the file. This would be really useful for creating bookmarks, and Bluefish can now do that. So let's go to a file that doesn't have any bookmarks yet. Right click here, say generate from ctags, click here, and there we go. We have all the functions in this file immediately bookmarked. As you see, they're shown in blue. There are also temporary bookmarks, so once you don't need them anymore, just delete them and they're gone. So again, right click, generate from ctags. There you have all the bookmarks. If you have a different command that produces a line number and you want to use it for bookmark creation, you can do that yourself as well. Go to Edit, Preferences, Bookmark Commands, and this is a bit tricky. So you have the command line here, you have a regular expression here that shows how to pass the output into a file, the line number and the actual output for the bookmark, and this takes a while tweaking it, but once you have it right, then you get the same thing. You don't need to do that for ctags because that's provided by default on Bluefish already. That's all I wanted to show you, so thank you and see you next time.